Hello guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Designrr review video. If you have never heard of Designrr, I'm sure you did. That's why you're here to watch the review, because you want to know if it's good or not. So let's do it. I have been using Designrr for a long time, and this is why I decided to do this review video. So Designrr is with Designrr you can repurpose your content. For us that like I have a blog, and for you that might have a blog or a website, or you won't, it's very hard sometimes to just keep creating fresh content. So with Designrr you can actually repurpose your content. So you can transform your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and also PDFs into beautiful ebooks, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. But who is Designrr for? So Designrr is for content marketers, for podcast services, brand marketing, for course creators, ebook creators, small or big business. Really, Designrr can be used by anyone. If you want to create a nice ebook, a lead magnet, for example, to create leads for your company, your website, your blog, this is the way to go, guys. One of the things that I really like about Designrr is that they are always updating the software. So if you buy it today, it's not that you're not gonna be stuck with the same material for the rest of your life. They are always updating. They are always adding more covers, adding more images. So it really is a very dynamic team that works with Designrr. And one thing that I learned in the past months using Designrr is that I never got tired of it. I always come back and there's something new. So let's go over the pricing. So pricing varies, of course, depending on the package. So you can go for the monthly plans. You can go from the standard, that is $29 a month, Pro, $39, Premium, or Business. So you're gonna choose the package according to what your needs are, right? One good thing that you can do here is you can always do a 7-day trial independently of what plan you pick. So that's really nice, because you can choose a plan and then play around for a week and see if you like it or not, and then decide if you're going to keep it or not. So you're not going to be charged within those 7 days, the 7 first days. So that's really cool. I'm going to leave a link to Designrr right below this video, and with my link, if you go to Designrr and purchase the software through my link, you're going to get a huge discount. So it really is worth it to go through my link. So just check it out before you leave this channel, okay? Alright, so let's now play a little bit with Designrr. Let's go inside of Designrr and see what it is, what's actually inside of the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. I have been playing with some ebooks here. I'm hiding. I don't want people knowing what I'm working on. But so on the top here, you can see all your projects, any drafts that you have. The media manager, you're gonna find the images that are offered within inside of Designrr, but also where you can upload your own images. So if there's anything that a specific image that you want to use in your ebook, you can just upload to Designrr. That's pretty cool. Here again, you can look for the plans and if you want to upgrade or not. I like this area here, that is the help and documentation, because here you're gonna find a lot of tutorials in details, like, okay, so start here. What you have to do, it shows you a mini tutorial what's inside of Designrr, what you can work on. More tutorials here. I am actually a video person, so I like to go over video tutorials. I learn better that way. But if you want to come here, and you can search for articles by if you have a question, you can just add here, and it's going to suggest articles based on what you're looking for. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's play inside. Let's try. I'm going to show you really quick here how Designrr works. So let's create, and I'm going to do a really basic project here, so you have an idea, and I'm going to be into the more details. But okay, so you go to create to a new project, and I'm going to actually I'm going to import an old ebook that I have that is on a Word format. So let's click here. And is about internet marketing, so email marketing actually. So let's go here, email marketing tips, for example. I don't know what the title is, but we can change that later. So you can add the title here. You can add a footer to the link that could be your title again, or for example the address for your website, or a link to your sales funnel, whatever it is you can add here. Alright, so let's just go to next. URL cannot be empty. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I didn't click here. So I'm actually uploading from my computer. So upload from disk. And I have this right here, list building strategies that really work. So maybe we can change the title later. But let's go here. So I'm going to upload this. Open. And it's uploading now, so converting my file. And the next step then is to pick a template. So as you can see here, it gives you tons of templates to choose from. Of course, I'm writing about email marketing, so I'm not going to pick a dog template, right, or a therapeutic template, because I want to pick something that is close to my niche. So I have less to actually make changes afterwards. So look at these three ones here. So they're all related to email marketing, so I can really work with any of this. So what you can do is you can do a preview. So it gives you a little detail of what it's going to look like. So this is going to be the cover, the table of contents, the pages. So that's very nice, right? So let's just look at the next one. Let's look at this one. Same thing, table of contents, the page. Really nice. I like the colors. And anyway, you can change the colors if you like it. If you're not happy with the colors, let's look at this one last time and see. Email marketing. Oh, this is cool too, right? So you have here. Alright, so let's just go with this one. So what you need to do is just use this template. So it's preparing your ebook. So you can see here how easy this is, right? So first of all, you download your file, you choose a template, and here it is, guys. Alright? Here it is. So the content that you uploaded is already here in an ebook format. So this is when you make changes if you like. So for example, if I want to add an author name here, so email marketing tips, this is what I added, right? So the niche is email marketing. So what I would do here, if this was my book, I would actually add here a link to my website or link to my sales funnel so people can visit. But as you can see, as is here, it is already a beautiful, beautiful ebook. So you can see how easy it is to do it. Alright, so let's, so I don't want to make any changes. If you want, of course you can make many changes. You can change the cover page, you can add new pages, you can do whatever. You can change the layout, change the writing, like the font. It really gives you many options to work with. Alright, so let's just publish this, and I would add the title here. I'm just going to skip this so this video doesn't get too long. But so I'm here generating the PDF. It's really quick, and I can open, and the document is ready. So you can see here as in the PDF format, it's beautiful, 21 pages. All good to go, ready to go. Beautiful ebook, right? So as you can see, it's very easy to work, very easy to use. No hiccups here. Very nice. You can download to your computer, or you can print, whatever you want to do with it. All right, let's just close this. I want to show you one more thing. So when I go to, let's go back here. And you're going to find the ebook that we just created. So it's right here, June 18th. This is it. right? So one more thing that I think is really cool that you can do is to do a cover generator, 3D cover generator. So just click here and you can see all the mockups, the 3D covers, right? So let's see, let's just do a preview here, what it would look like. Isn't this nice? So you can actually like put this in your blog or in your Facebook post or on your Facebook cover as something that you're gonna give for free to someone that gives you their emails. And other thing that you can save this image here. One other thing that you can do is you can actually create an Amazon ebook here. This is really cool that you can do that. Instead of paying someone to create a cover for you, if you write in an ebook, you can just come here, use Designrr to do it. So this is very affordable. If you're gonna do this often, this is the best way to go. Instead of paying someone to create your ebook page, just buy this software, and you can use it as many times for long as you like, right? So this is nice. Alright guys, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you could learn more from Designrr. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link right below this video with that is gonna give you a huge discount on Designrr. So if you wanna go through that link to get the discount on Designrr, just do it right now. And come back to my channel. Subscribe. I'm gonna always be adding more fun videos, more interesting videos that are gonna be helpful for you. Alright guys, be good, and I'll see you later, okay? Bye.